guys, today I'm going to be working on building a guitar rack for somebody at my church. So right now we've got the wood and we're going to work on measuring it out and cutting it to the length it needs to be and finishing it up, routering it, and seeing how it turns out. So first, this board was too long, so I'm going to measure off a good 16 inches here, and then that's where we're going to cut it and trim it. So once we cut off this side of the board, then we realized that there was a green stripe on this side, so I ended up just having to cut off this edge a little bit just to get rid of that green stripe, and now it looks really nice. So we're going to use this 8-inch roundover bit on the router table, and we're going to use this to cut off all the edges on this board to make it look really nice and not just like a normal wooden board. Okay, so I'll just set this up then. So we're going to be using this scrap piece of wood to test out our router to make sure that it actually cuts the edge the way that we want it to and that it looks good. So here we go. So I kind of wanted my piece of wood to look a little bit more interesting than this tiny rounded piece that you could probably get just with a sandpaper or something. So I decided to move up to a 1/4 inch roundover bit, and hopefully that'll give us the nice little rounded edge that we want. This was the first one that we used, and then this one's the new one. So as you can see, there's a clearly noticeable difference there, and we're going to be using this one. Alright, so we got to do a little bit of sanding, but other than that, this looks really good. So we've got two different colors of stain here, and what I'm just going to do is I'm going to test out which one looks better by applying it with this old scrap piece of sock onto this scrap piece of wood that we were using earlier, and see which one looks better.